Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Airdrop City. This video is especially for new users who want to earn extra money from crypto airdrops. I am going to tell you how you can earn from crypto airdrops. Already our followers making good money from our platform. Before starting the video, make sure you join our Telegram channel and smash the YouTube subscribe button. It's important to get airdrop alerts. Let's start. From airdrops, you can earn good money just by doing some simple social tasks. I know everyone has a mobile phone. Why use only for calling and video watching? You can use it for online earning. Just you need to participate in airdrop and you will see your own earning by spending 1 or 2 hours daily. You need a trust wallet and Binance to exchange your money. You will get a link in the description. Kindly note, never pay a penny amount to claim any airdrop and never share your private key with anyone. Meet you in next video. Till then, happy earning with Crypto Airdrop City.